Hey everyone, it's Sarah. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 awesome ways to earn $1,000 in just 1 month. Are you ready? Let's get started. Method number 1, freelancing. Put your skills to work and offer your services online. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or programmer, find clients and start earning. Method number 2, launch an online store. If you have a passion for crafting, fashion, or anything else you love creating, set up your online store, showcase your products, and start selling. Method number 3, become a social media influencer. Share your talents, hobbies, or expertise with the world. Build a following on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, and collaborate with brands to earn money through sponsorships. Method number 4, start a side hustle. Do you have a talent or hobby that can bring in some extra cash, tutoring, or even baking? Turn your skills into a profitable side business. Method number 5, invest wisely. Put your money to work for you. Learn about stock market investing, real estate, or other investment opportunities. With some research and careful planning, you can make your money grow. That ways to earn $1,000 in just 1 month. Remember, it takes a bit of effort and dedication, but with the right mindset. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share.